Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your Acronis cloud backup, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Acronis cloud account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where your current backup status is displayed. Locate the settings option in the left sidebar and click on it. Under the settings menu, find the backup tab and select it. Now, look for the upgrade option related to your current backup plan. Click on the Upgrade button to view the available plans. Review the features and storage capacities of each upgrade option. Determine which upgrade best suits your backup needs and click on it. Proceed by clicking the Select or Upgrade Now button associated with your chosen plan. You will be prompted to confirm your selection. Read through the details carefully. Once confirmed, proceed by clicking on the Continue or Next button. Enter any necessary payment information if prompted. Confirm your payment details and click on the Pay Now button to finalize the upgrade. After the payment is processed, wait for the confirmation message. Return to the dashboard to verify that your backup plan has been updated successfully. Make sure to check the newly available features to optimize your backup strategy. Adjust any settings or scheduling options based on your requirements. Finally, perform a test backup to ensure everything is functioning correctly with your upgraded plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.